Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel, Best Jewel Collection. Friends, I hope you all are fine and are doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of top earrings for you, and I hope that you like this beautiful video also. So first of all, I'm saying that pause this video and subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing it. So coming back to our topic, as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful collection of drop earrings for you, and it's a very new collection for bridal as well. So as you can see, there are some different designs of drop earrings which you can wear whether you're going on a casual event or any wedding ceremony, so you can wear these type of drop earrings as well. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and keep liking and sharing my all videos, and you can purchase them from anywhere, whether you are in a market or any type of shop or any jewel shop. So you can purchase these type of drop earrings in cheap prices as well, and you can also purchase in expensive prices, whether you are going to a jeweler or if you want to purchase in cheap prices. So you can, it's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear these type of drop earrings. So please guys, watch this video till the end, and thank you so much who has been watching my videos and who is watching this video. Thank you so much. So friends, you can see that different gemstones are here in these type of drop earrings, which you can purchase from the jewel shop as well. You can purchase in expensive prices, as I've told you before. So it's up to you that how could you purchase and how could you wear these type of drop earrings. I'm just saying you that you can purchase them from anywhere, and I'm not saying that you have to do this or that. I'm just advising you. So please guys, share this video with your friends and with your family members as well, and you can purchase these type of jewels earring from any shop. And if you want a perfect location and a proper content and a proper location, so you can comment me in the comment box. So inshallah next time I'll tell you that how could you purchase and where could you purchase these type of drop earrings and where these are available. So guys, my video almost has been ended. So in the end, I'm just saying that take care of yourself and your family, and please respect your parents and elders also if you want a successful in a way beautiful life to spend. So take care of yourself and your family. Hope to see you soon inshallah with a new video and with a new fashion. Allah Hafiz guys, see you soon. Okay, take care of yourself. Bye bye.